Hello friends, my name is Elliot and welcome. Now this video is gonna be slightly different than the rest of the others because I got a suggestion from one of my friends that maybe I should start drawing some characters from different type of games and just practice my general pixel art skills and just converting all these images into pixel art. Now, of course, my friend suggested to draw this character, Kratos from God of War Ragnarok. Just draw it and see how it will turn out. Now, I do have some experience with drawing characters from random games. This is one of my first attempts, way before I started doing pixel art. Now, if some of you can recognize it, leave a comment down below. This is a specific character from one game. It was really interesting to draw it and see how it whole thing turned out. So I thought, why not? So today I'm going to be trying Kratos as a character to redraw in pixel art, and I'm going to draw it in 64 by 64 pixels canvas. So basically that would be like a 2 tiles height character. Now, as you can see here on the side, I have some of the images that I will be using for reference. You can get them online from Google Images or whichever source you use. So I just had to look around and gather the best poses that I could find. This practice is quite good because this way people learn how to use the palettes and just play with colors and try to match them. This way they learn how to use colors and how to get these specific details done in limited area. It's a very good practice which I really recommend for those who are starting pixel art, because as I showed you before, the character that I made, it really worked for me. So let's just begin. So now for the first step, what I like to do is just to get the general shape and see what I can work with. So now I'm just going to get this all outline into here. So I'm going to start from the head. Now it's going to be slightly difficult, so I'm just going to create a very quick sketch just to see what scale things should be. Okay, so I have the pieces done. I included axe as well, because obviously That's his main weapon. I added cape. I didn't add this head because it's a separate thing. Clearly. I've worked for the legs. It looks quite weird, but this is a way to show that it's facing forwards. Left arm obviously has nothing in it. So I tried to draw loose fingers, but it's just mess. Once we're gonna start coloring the whole shape, it will start making more sense. Now obviously the other arm, I made it like that because obviously it's made out of several pieces, like these plates of leather armor, I assume, and leather gauntlet. So this is the leather gauntlet and the fist. That part was quite easy to make, but it is quite limiting when you're working with such level of detail. So yeah, this is the right arm. Looks about the right size. Yeah, just configuring things, looking around and just getting the general shape done. Oops, I moved that one. Just fixing some areas. And just from the outlines you can probably see that the shape is working. So basically we just need to get the most accurate shape we can get. Now interestingly enough, in this image the character has brown eyes, but in this one it has greenish yellow eyes. So at this point I'm not really sure which color to use, but I'll probably get to that anyways soon enough. So I'm going to start with the head itself. So as you can see, we went down, up, and now down again. I'm using this kind of a method since it's just easier to get fixed scale. So there we go. We're gonna start with the skin. So obviously the character, from what I've heard, is covered in ashes. So obviously the skin somewhat white, but obviously we can't go with pure white. We're gonna have to add some very, very soft darkened pink. And from what I'm seeing, the skin tone is leaning towards the brown color, so I'm gonna choose orange color, something like that. And I believe that's pretty much it. Yeah, so here's the final result. So there you go. Here's my attempt of pixelating Kratos. First attempt of recreating a very detailed character in pixel art. And probably the beard doesn't really need all these spots at all. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this character. Did it turn out pretty well, or there's some scaling issues, even though I can already tell that the legs still feel quite short when in actual artwork. And but overall I quite nailed it. Core details and colors are here. Some pieces maybe need more rework. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you want to check out other content of mine, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you next time.